Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today is the day you've all been waiting for. Today we're announcing the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Makeup Mystery Box giveaway winner. Ooh, that's a mouthful. Anyways, I went live explaining why, and I went on my Snapchat and Twitter explaining why I'm a little bit late on this video. I do want to apologize again, but without any further ado, let's announce the hooty hoo. Okay? Oh, and I'm also going to be doing a like quick, easy, what I do to my face every day type of look. If that is something you're interested in, keep watching. Okay, so I put all y'all's names, everyone who commented, everyone who did down below. I put all your names into a code generator, and if you want me to refresh your memory on what you are winning, so the winner of the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Caramel Kiss, the Mini Breaker, 2 liquid lips in Huntington Beach in 818, as well as the stickers from the Christmas mystery, holiday mystery boxes, is, drumroll, are you drumrolling? Drumroll please. Alyssa Boudreau. I am so excited for you. I can't wait to see all of your looks with this and how they look on you. I love seeing, because since I got the same product, like I love seeing the different shades and different stuff on different people because it works different on everyone. And I'm so excited that I could gift all of this to you. And everyone, be on the lookout for more giveaways because I promise there will be more in the near future. Okay. But I think that's it for the giveaway. Yeah. I will be Instagramming you. I think that's what you left. Instagramming you or emailing you to get your address, and I will be shipping this out this week. Okay, so the makeup look. I'm going to give you a quick everyday, this is what I do to get ready in the mornings makeup look. Okay. My hair is super faded. I have an appointment this weekend as well as for my eyelashes. So this is going to be longer than it really takes me to get ready because I'm going to be talking and explaining what I'm doing. So I always just never feel like going to get my beauty blender, my sponge or anything wet. So I have a bottle of Evian water. I know it's bougie. I bought it at like TJ Maxx. So I'm going to get this pupper wet. This is nothing to like straight water in mist form. So I get this a little damp. If you have any foundations that you absolutely love, comment them down below because I am on a no-buy for like eyeshadows and stuff. But foundation, concealer, bronzer, contour, you know, the face powder, stuff that you're using more than eyeshadows, comment what you love down below. So I just take a few little pumps, and this, like I said, this is like quick. It's not going to be perfect, but this is what I would do before work, school, all that. Just make sure everything is blended and evenly spread out. And I would go further down my neck too, but I'm like already dressed, as some of you may know. I've already been to work, so I'm just straight up gonna take this off in a second. So I know, wasting makeup, right? No, well, I'm almost out and I really do need some new foundation. And this makeup look does not include an eyeshadow palette. You do not need an eyeshadow palette. So pick your foundation, pick your poison, then your concealer. I am using the
Revolution, Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. I'm going to put a little bit under my eyes. And I am not going like full cake. Well, like full bake, full cake, you know, fully loaded. Top Gun. So you're just blending that in. Oh, I forgot to mention that I already went in. I don't know what happened, but I already went in with the Tatcha I cannot talk today. The Silk Canvas Primer underneath all this, as well as the Tatcha Moisturizer. Before that, I just didn't film that part for some reason. So next, I'm going to go in with a little powder, setting powder. This is in the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I'm just going to take that same beauty blender. Make sure there are no creases. I'm not going to put it, I'm trying not to get it on my clothes right now. I'm not going to put it all the way up under, like not, I'm going to leave this space open. You'll see why in a moment. I'm just kind of blend it in. I don't let it sit. Like I said, this is for when I'm in a rush and every day, quick. Don't forget to get some on your shirt. So then I just take a naked brush. You do not have to do this step. I don't know. I just started doing it and I loved it. This is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation. See, I'm loving it. And I just take an extra step in these humid Louisiana weather. So next, if you're familiar with my channel, you know that this is my go-to contour. This is the Milani. You can find this at Walgreens. This is a Morphe brush, just a little puffer brush. And I start up here and I kind of work it like this. And like I said, this is not going to be like professional. This is, you want to get ready in 5-10 minutes in the morning? Here you go. And I get rid of this double chin. I usually don't get ready with earrings on, so excuse me. This is the Shimmering Skin Perfector, the Becca. This is in Bronzed Amber. It's like a bronzer. The other one's a bronzer, but it's a cool tone, so I use it as contour. This one is more of a warm tone, and it is not a bronzer. Is a bronzer? I use it as a bronzer. Just to give me a little warmth. Then I take another little Morphe brush. This is, they don't have names on them. It's just a eyeshadow brush. And I go into the Milani bronzer. And I didn't set my eyes. And I just take it in my crease and blend it out. And remember when I said I wasn't going to set close up under my eye? That is because I am bringing the bronzer up under it. And I'm going to take my other bronzer, whatever this is, and I'm just going to do the same thing. Back and forth. Then I'm just going to brush my eyebrows out. You can do your eyebrows, but when I'm doing a quick makeup look like this, I don't have time to mess with my eyebrows. So I just brush them. And then you can go in with the blush if you want. If you don't, you can stop here, just add mascara and you're done. But I like to add a little bit of color, so I'm going to take the MAC Diva Don't Care and just place a little bit. The apples of my cheeks up. And life's too short to not wear blush on your bridge of your nose. So bridge of my nose, and then the excess on my chin, and then on my forehead. I just love blush, okay? I love blush. So after blush, we're gonna take the Ofra highlighter in Star Island on a little high cheekbone highlighter Sigma brush, and I'm just gonna flash it right here. I like highlight on the apples of my cheeks too. I don't know, I just love highlight. Once again, you can stop before this at the other step, at the end of your face. You do not have to add all this, but I feel like it gives it that extra little oomph, you know? I feel like I'm complete. So then I take my blush brush and I kind of go on top of it to make it look like it's just peeping through. Then mascara on the bottom. I mean, you can put mascara on the top, but I don't need to. So mascara, and then lick some of your foundation off your mouth. And if you want, you can add highlight to the inner corners. You can smudge it on the top here. Put some on your brow bone. I'm still adding highlight. Then you brush your lashes. Always brush your lashes. Then you can top that off with a clear gloss or a liquid lip, or I just always put lip gloss on when I don't have a lot on. I feel like it just completes it. This is the Shane Gloss. To set it all off, we're going to use the Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist. And there you have it. Super quick. Do you like it? So I think that's it. I think that's the finished look. Hopefully it was easy enough for you guys to do yourselves. I can't wait to hear from you. I'm so excited for my giveaway winner. I'm going to be shipping them out as soon as possible. I can't wait to see your looks with them and what you can create with it. I'm so excited to share with you. And all everybody else, be on the lookout for more giveaways. I promise there will be some. Yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, turn on the little bell for notifications to get alerts for when I post again. I think that's it. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.